All right, everyone, let's learn drop down. Here we go. Dropping down on 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, open 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kicks. Right, cross, ball, change, turn. Left, cross, ball, change. 2 more. Right, cross, ball, change. Left, right, cross, ball, change. Sweeping back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add the arm. 5, 6, 7, 8. Going on to the lunges, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stepping together, we open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stepping low, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 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 hop. Low and high. Hop, 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 hop. Double time 4 times. A 1, a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more. A 1, a 2, 3, 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8. Great. Let's try it a little bit faster. Here we go, dropping on 1. We go. 5, 6, 7, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kick. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. 2 more. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Sweeps are next. Right and left, right, lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, step low. 1 and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more, and spin. Great. Great job. You're ready to work out.